My name is Tim Thomas. I took the Substance Use Disorder Counseling program at UC San Diego Extended Studies, and I am now a certified substance use disorder counselor working at Jackson House Recovery Center in Golden Hill, California. I heard about the Substance Use Disorder Counseling program at UC San Diego Extended Studies through a wonderful organization called San Diego Workforce Partnership. I was in financial hardship when I decided to invest in my education, and San Diego Workforce Partnership helped me with all my funding for my classes and my books. They helped me register for all the classes and just really made it easy and convenient for me. At 34 years old and going back to school after over a decade, I was full of uncertainty and fear. So I actually ended up interviewing with 3 different educational institutions, one of which was UC San Diego Extended Studies, and they made my choice pretty simple because they were the ones that really made me feel the most comfortable and supported. They answered all of my questions and concerns, and they gave me a good layout of what to expect in the course, which was exactly what I needed at that time because I didn't know what to expect. My objective when enrolling in the Substance Use Disorder Counseling program at UC San Diego Extended Studies was specifically to become a substance use disorder counselor. Being a person in long-term recovery myself, this goal just so happened to be both professional and personal. I've had a lot of great individuals help me get me back on my feet when I needed them most, and to be able to give back the way that they gave to me at that time, it's something really special and it's brought a lot of purpose into my life. The thing that I like the most out of the Substance Use Disorder Counseling program at UC San Diego Extended Studies would have to be all of the instructors and the professors. They continue to bring a professional and enthusiastic mentality to all of our courses. They created a very safe and supportive environment for myself and my classmates, so I wasn't afraid to ask any kind of questions. But they also had this continuous thread to really challenge me and to explore and discover my type of counseling style and what type of counselor that I wanted to be, and for that, I'm forever grateful. This program helped me achieve my goals in more ways than one, with thorough and relative education and supportive instructors and connections to various resources in the substance use disorder field as a whole. It's really helped me create a solid foundation for my efforts in substance use disorder counseling. I would wholeheartedly recommend this program to a friend, especially if they showed any kind of interest in working in the field of substance use disorders. With the comprehensive curriculum, the experienced instructors, and the convenience of it being online courses, it really makes it ideal for anybody who's interested in becoming a substance use disorder counselor. One thing that I think prospective students should know about the Substance Use Disorder Counseling program is that you will be supported, and it's not quite as intimidating as it might sound. However, there is some action to take on your part, right? So pull the trigger. If you have the opportunity to invest in your education, then take it, because you're not sure when that opportunity might present itself again. Seeing how this program helped me pass the alcohol and drug counseling exam just earlier this year, I'm gonna enjoy my time as a substance use disorder counselor for a bit, but my future goals is to go back to school now that I know I could do it, and to become a licensed therapist who specializes in substance use disorders. Entering this field and becoming a substance use disorder counselor has tremendously improved my life, and it's really brought me a whole new sense of purpose. So if you want to be a part of this movement, then check it out.